Hi there, Melody from WTI.
These Boyzn athletic shorts are what you need for your everyday workouts, running, even just hanging around the house. They're made out of 70% cotton, then a little bit of polyester and a little bit of spandex. My husband loves them because there's a four-way stretch. So with the elastic and the drawstring, you have no problem making sure that they're going to fit comfortably. They are a loose fit, so they are going to be perfect if you order to size. They have two side zippered pockets that are good enough to put your cell phone or whatever, and a back pocket. And the drawstring is going to make sure that you can tighten it or loosen it, again making sure that you are super comfortable when you're doing any kind of a workout. They are high wicking, which means they will actively wick away any kind of moisture from the skin, keeping you dry and comfortable as you work out. And with so many sizes, so many colors, and the fact that they are machine wash friendly, who wouldn't want a pair?
And that's our point of view.